HR Basics is a series of short courses designed to highlight what you need to know about a particular human resource management topic. In today's HR Basics, we define total rewards and explore the total rewards model. Total rewards are the monetary and non-monetary rewards provided by companies to attract, motivate, and retain employees. To an employee or candidate for employment, the notion of total rewards includes perceived value as a result of the employment relationship. Originally introduced by WorldatWork in 2000, the total rewards model has evolved to depict the strategic elements of the employer-employee exchange and the impact on total rewards today. My adaptation of the total rewards model reflects how external influences impact total reward strategy that offer attraction, retention, motivation, and engagement to today's employees. It's become clear that the battle for talent involves a highly effective, strategically designed compensation and benefits program. As the concept of total rewards accelerates, human resource professionals must use the total rewards model to take a much broader look at how we attract, motivate, and retain employees. HR professionals agree that human resource and employee reward strategies should be based on the organization's business strategy. At the same time, every business has a unique organizational culture that defines how we do things around here. Business strategy and organizational culture drive the design and execution of the approach an organization takes related to every facet of its human capital or its human resource strategy. In turn, the HR strategy drives the development and administration of total reward strategy. Successful organizations understand that total rewards must be designed in the context of influences external to the organization for which there's little or no control. The global economic landscape has a profound effect on total rewards, especially costs, which are among the highest expenses incurred by organizations. Total reward professionals must understand labor market trends and movements to reach the sweet spot of attracting the necessary talent at a cost that is affordable and sustainable. Cultural norms and social mores impact employee preferences for different types of rewards. Finally, in the realm of external influences, regulatory issues pertaining to total rewards vary widely and must be well managed by total reward professionals to ensure compliance. The effectiveness of the reward system depends on how well compensation is linked to organizational strategies so that employees are encouraged to work in a manner that benefits the company. There are 6 elements of total rewards, each of which includes programs, practices, elements, and dimensions that collectively define an organization's strategy to attract, motivate, retain, and engage employees. These strategies include compensation, benefits, work-life effectiveness, recognition, performance management, and talent development. Compensation is the fixed and variable pay provided by an employer to its employees in return for work. Benefits are the indirect and non-wage health, income protection, and retirement programs providing security for employees and their families. Work-life effectiveness are the practices that actively support efforts to help employees achieve success both at work and at home. Recognition reinforces employee action, behavior, efforts, or performance that supports organizational strategy. Performance management is the alignment of organizational mission with the work of employees. Talent development are the integrated processes to attract, motivate, and retain productive and engaged employees. These elements represent a toolkit from which an organization chooses to offer total rewards. The correct combination of these strategies will result in satisfied, engaged, and productive employees who will generate desired organizational outcomes. An organization's total reward strategy culminates in a workforce that has the right people in the right jobs who are motivated and engaged to do the right things. Employees feel loyal to the organization and its success. The model demonstrates the dynamic relationship, an exchange between employers and employees, championing the needs of our employees and our business interests to realize results through engagement.